I've been wanting to eat tofu, Beske, Wara Soya since these days. Then I went out there, bought soya beans, and said, yes, let's make some homemade tofu or homemade Beske. Hello, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today, what we will be doing is to make some homemade tofu, homemade Beske, Wara Soya Beske. People back at home and Nigerians generally will understand what Beske is, and people outside Nigeria that knows it as tofu. So the first thing is that you are going to get your soya beans. You're going to soak it. I soaked mine overnight so that it can be very soft. I'm going to be washing it, rinsing it, and then I am going to go ahead to blend it to be very, very, very smooth. So now let's proceed to wash this soaked soft soya beans. So if you're coming across my YouTube channel for the very first time, kindly hit on the subscribe button and also the bell button. Be a part of this wonderful channel. What we do here, I cook majorly Nigerian dishes, and sometimes I can decide to just do some UK or cuisines into packaging food, see what it is going to give us. I talk about my lifestyle, Nigerian, as a Nigerian living in the UK, surviving, doing business, and some other things as well. And whenever I do anything special, and it's like, guys, I'm doing something special today. Yeah, so basically that's just it. So kindly hit the subscribe button because I'll be dropping some awesome videos as time goes on. So let me just proceed and finish washing my soya beans, and then we can continue with it. So now the next thing we are going to do is to blend the soya beans. So I'm going to blend the soya beans till it becomes very, very, very smooth. So after blending, the next thing is for you to sieve it. So I'm using a sieving cloth. I've forgotten the name they call it here. Using a sieving cloth and to sieve it. So the next thing is you now put the water, that's the milk cutting from soya beans. You place it in a clean pot on a medium or low heat, and then you stir up until you see that it is boiling. When you see that it is boiling, then you can go in with your stabilizer. Now there are different stabilizers that you can use. I'm using gypsum. I dissolve the gypsum in soya milk, in the soya bean water. That is the one gotten from when I sieved it earlier. That's the filtrate. So I dissolved it in it. I think I used 1/4 teaspoon of that. I dissolved it in just a little amount of water, quantity of water, and then added. Okay, so basically then you are going to turn off the heat and then cover it for like 10 minutes. Allow it to cool. Do not stir, do not touch. So it is then going to coagulate. So after coagulating, after 10 minutes, then you can transfer it into your sieve like this. Placed in a mesh, just to support it so that I can't hold something very, very hot. Then you're going to tie it the way I tied mine. If you have the tofu maker, you can use it to press it. Luckily, that is good for you. However, I do not have that, so I tied it and then I proceeded to allow it to cool for a few minutes, and then proceeded to add my pepper, Maggi, and salt. you can do the same. You can add any seasoning you want to add just to make it sweet, and boom, you tie it again. You allow so that the water can actually come out. I left it overnight for like 12 hours. Placed something very heavy on it. I used this first plate, then I used this tin of green pea, and then another plate. This plate is quite heavy, like very, very, very heavy. So I left it overnight till the following morning. Then the following morning, tada! Here is my tofu beske wara. So you can eat it like this, raw. You can put it in the stew. You can eat it like that because that was how I grew up eating beske. Our mom would put it inside stew for us to eat it with rice, swallow, name it, any kind of food. Or you can proceed to fry it the way I fried mine as well. And you can use it to make gari. Yeah, it's very so easy to make gari. Or after fry, you can still soak inside your stew, use it to eat rice. So guys, this is the tofu. This is my best care, and please hit on the subscribe button to be a part of this wonderful channel. And I'm going to see you some other time while I talk about another food or another thing entirely. Till then, see ya.